In front of me is Motorola Moto G Pure, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this device. First of all, go into settings and scroll all the way down. Now click on System, select Gestures and tap on one-handed mode. If you are using Tricky's navigation, over here you need to scroll all the way down and tap on this sweater next to one-handed mode shortcut. Now tap on OK in the pop-up and use one-handed mode by tapping on the shortcut on your screen. As you can see, mine is on. If you wish to go back, you can swipe up or just click on this area. You can even move your shortcut however you wish to. In order to disable it, go into the same settings and tap on this No Blue Sweater. If you are using gestures now, I need to change my navigation to show you. You need to click on this sweater instead. Click on Full Screen into Reach over here and follow all of those instructions. To use one-handed mode, swipe down from the bottom edge of the screen. So when I do that, as you can see, that it's on. You can go back the same way. In order to disable it, tap on the same sweater. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!